Ever wondered what the best-selling product in the world of dropshipping is? In this ever-evolving and dynamic universe of e-commerce, one business model has truly revolutionized the way we buy and sell products online. That's right, we're talking about dropshipping. With its minimal overhead and the ability to start a business without the need for a physical inventory, it's no wonder why this model has become a go-to for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Now, within this vast ocean of opportunity, certain products have truly set themselves apart, rising to the top as the best sellers in the dropshipping world. What are these products, you ask? Well, that's exactly what we're here to uncover today. We'll be diving deep into the realm of dropshipping, revealing the products that have sold the most, and exploring why they've been so successful. So buckle up, get comfortable, and prepare for an exciting journey. Stay with us as we count down to the most successful product in the dropshipping universe. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the ever-popular fitness tracker. This little gadget has been making waves in the online marketplace, and for good reason. It's compact, packed with features, and caters to the health-conscious demographic that's been growing exponentially. From monitoring heart rate to tracking sleep patterns, the fitness tracker offers a plethora of benefits that appeal to a wide-ranging audience. It's not just a fad, it's a lifestyle product that's here to stay. For entrepreneurs, this product presents an excellent opportunity. With its broad market appeal and the increasing focus on health and wellness, the fitness tracker can be a lucrative addition to your product line. But here's the kicker, it's not just about selling a product, it's about selling a lifestyle. And with the fitness tracker, you're not just offering a gadget, you're offering a tool for better living. So that was our number 5, let's move on to number 4. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have a product that has been making waves in the dropshipping world. This gem is none other than the high-quality wireless Bluetooth earbuds. What sets these earbuds apart from the competition is their perfect blend of top-tier sound quality and sleek design, a combination that consumers find irresistible. But that's not all. They also offer unique features like noise cancellation and water resistance, making them a hot commodity. And let's not forget about the convenience of wireless technology. It's a game changer, folks. Now, why is this product a goldmine for entrepreneurs? Well, the demand for wireless earbuds is skyrocketing, with more people than ever turning to wireless solutions for their audio needs. Plus, with a wide range of price points and styles, there's a pair of these earbuds for everyone. That's number 4. Let's push forward to the top 3. We're now breaking into the top 3. Stepping onto the podium at number 3 is none other than the versatile, always-in-demand, wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now you might be thinking, wireless earbuds? Really? But don't underestimate the power of music and convenience combined. These aren't just any wireless earbuds. They offer high-quality sound, impressive battery life, and a sleek, compact design. But what really makes them a crowd pleaser is their compatibility. Whether you're an Apple aficionado, an Android advocate, or a Windows wizard, these earbuds are ready to pair up and play your favorite tunes. So what catapulted wireless Bluetooth earbuds into our coveted top 3? It's simple. In an age where wires are considered clutter and convenience is king, wireless earbuds perfectly encapsulate the spirit of the times. They offer freedom of movement, hands-free calls, and a personalized audio experience, all without the need for annoying, tangling wires. But let's not forget their appeal to the fitness community. Whether you're lifting weights, running a marathon, or doing yoga, these earbuds stay put, providing a soundtrack for your workout. They're sweat-proof, lightweight, and don't require a headphone jack. Now let's talk about how entrepreneurs can seize this golden opportunity. The key lies in understanding your target audience. Are they fitness enthusiasts, tech geeks, frequent travelers? Once you know who you're selling to, you can tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. Highlight the features that matter most to your audience. Is it the noise cancellation feature for the frequent flyer, or the long battery life for the fitness fanatic? Perhaps it's the universal compatibility for the tech-savvy consumer. By understanding your audience and their needs, you can maximize your profits and make the most of this top-selling product. Remember, as a dropshipper, your success hinges on the products you choose to sell. And with wireless Bluetooth earbuds, you're not just selling a product, you're selling an experience. A wireless, hassle-free, and personalized audio experience. That's our number 3, brace yourself for the top 2. Just missing out on our top spot at number 2, we find ourselves in the presence of a product that has undoubtedly taken the dropshipping world by storm. This powerhouse product while not clinching the top spot, has certainly made a name for itself. It's the kind of product that has entrepreneurs the world over rubbing their hands together in anticipation. But what is this near-miraculous item, you ask? Well, let's dive in. This product is none other than the humble yet effective fitness tracker. Now you might be thinking, a fitness tracker, really? But don't be too quick to dismiss it. This nifty little gadget has been flying off virtual shelves for a good reason. It's more than just a step counter or heart rate monitor, it's a lifestyle accessory. The fitness tracker is the perfect companion for the health-conscious, the workout warriors, and those of us merely trying to keep tabs on our daily activity. It's compact, user-friendly, and fits snugly on your wrist, making it a perfect companion for those on the go. And its unique selling points? Let's not forget about its sleep tracking capabilities, the ability to sync with various fitness apps, and its stylish designs that can seamlessly blend with any outfit. But why is it just shy of the top spot? Well, while the fitness tracker has seen an impressive surge in sales, it's still a tad behind our #1 pick. However, its gap is rapidly closing, and with the right marketing strategies, it might just clinch the top spot. For entrepreneurs looking to make the most of this product, the opportunity is ripe for the picking. Fitness trackers cater to a broad market, from fitness enthusiasts to tech-savvy individuals, and even to those simply looking for a convenient way to monitor their health. With targeted marketing and a keen understanding of your customer base, the potential for success is immense. We've just covered #2, let's reveal our top pick. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the best-selling product in dropshipping is the wireless Bluetooth earbuds. When it comes to the wireless Bluetooth earbuds, the appeal is all about convenience and cutting-edge technology. These earbuds offer a seamless connection to devices, providing high-quality audio for music, podcasts, and calls. With their compact size and sleek design, they are easy to carry around and are a stylish accessory for tech-savvy consumers. But what makes these earbuds the best-selling product? First off, their demand is driven by the ever-evolving technology industry. As more devices shift towards wireless functionality, the demand for wireless earbuds has skyrocketed. Secondly, the versatility of these earbuds is stunning. They are not only used for entertainment purposes but also for fitness and professional settings. This widens the customer base significantly, increasing their marketability. Lastly, the profit margin on these earbuds is substantial, making them an attractive product for entrepreneurs. With a variety of models and price points, entrepreneurs can cater to a vast demographic, from budget-conscious customers to those seeking high-end, premium earbuds. Now, how can you as an entrepreneur leverage this product's popularity for maximum profit? One effective strategy is to tap into niche markets. For example, you could target fitness enthusiasts with earbuds designed for workouts or professionals needing high-quality earbuds for conference calls. Another strategy is to offer bundle deals. Pair the earbuds with other complementary products like phone cases or portable chargers. This not only increases your sales but also enhances the customer's shopping experience. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping is staying on top of trends and understanding your customers' needs. With a product as versatile and in-demand as wireless Bluetooth earbuds, the possibilities are endless. That wraps up our countdown, with the wireless Bluetooth earbuds taking the crown as the best-selling product in dropshipping. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the realm of dropshipping, from the 5th best-selling product to the reigning champion. Each product we've highlighted holds its unique appeal, from innovative design to practical functionality. Our top product, with its unbeatable quality, affordability, and market demand, stands as a testament to what a successful dropshipping item looks like. It's a shining example of a product that not only meets consumer needs, but also exceeds expectations, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to venture into the dropshipping industry. As we wrap up, consider these products as a launchpad for your dropshipping journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your portfolio, these items offer proven success and potential profitability. Remember, in the world of dropshipping, the right product can make all the difference. Thanks for watching.